ZABIST has recently started corporate training programs, and that also includes consultancy services. So it is the need of the hour, because a lot of graduates, they not only need degrees, but they also continuously require updatation and skills upgradation. Continuously, the market's demands and the workplace environment is changing. So they need to continually upskill and reskill themselves. So this forum has been created. So the students or the graduates or alumni of ZABIST, so they can continually reskill and upskill themselves. So this initiative was taken by the Vice President ZABIST, Dr. Altaf Mukati, and the Madam President, Ms. Shahnaz Wazir Ali.